To auto disconnect auto hotspot connection when not in use in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap auto hotspot connection, and then tap the gray on option next to disconnect when not in use to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, your phone will save more battery by disconnecting from your auto hotspot whenever your phone screen is turned off and no data being transferred. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.